not, I was very clear, I did not want you to move out with me. I
Yeah.
was the one leaving because the dynamics was not good for me.
Yeah.
So I had decided that already, because you were very clear since the start. You just didn't want to hear कि मुझे अपनी family से अलग रहना पड़ेगा.
Yeah, yeah.
It makes sense to me that you are still so unhappy, you are so angry, you are so emotional about everything. So I would like to tell our listeners, viewers, that हम ये बोलना चाहते हैं before we start to tell you the details कि 8th year we are choosing to call it our infinity year.
Why infinity show? Let me tell
Yes.
them, because the sign of 8 is infinity.
Yes.
Yes, and obviously after the 8 years that we have spent together, I think इसके बाद हम लोगों को लगता है कि हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें झेल सकते हैं अपनी लाइफ में, और इसके बाद हम इन्फिनिटी जी सकते हैं साथ में.
हाँ, अब हमको ऐसा लगता है कि हमने इनफ काम कर लिया है अपने ऊपर कि हम साथ में रह के भी
काम कर सकते हैं.
प्रॉब्लम्स काम कर सकते हैं और प्रॉब्लम्स से डील कर सकते हैं. ये नहीं होगा कि हम एक दूसरे से नाराज़ हैं या एक दूसरे को छोड़ना चाहते हैं.
Yes.
तो विच इज़ वॉट वी आर हियर टू टेल यू टुडे कि हमने शुरू से लेके अभी तक
कैसे
क्या-क्या
कैसे झेला शॉर्ट में, so that you understand that what kind of mistakes we did and learn from our mistakes. So anyway, let me start the first year show. First year, I think it was a year of trust. I think when we got married, मेरे को याद है शो कि शादी के पहले ही we were in Goa and you told me that I don't want to stay with your family, but you trusted me that कि no, I will at least try to stay with my family and see how you can manage things. Also, you trusted me with lot of things because you knew that I had lot of multiple relationships. As you say that I was a Casanova, but I was not. But yes, she trusted me that no, Karan will be a good guy. He will take care of me. So that was a wonderful thing that Shokhi did and trusted me in first year of marriage. I think everyone trusts, but I think this trust was that she knew that she will not be comfortable with my family, but she trusted me that I will try for Karan.
yes. But I also knew why I was saying this, that I will not be comfortable with your family, was because there had been 1.5 years of history
Yeah.
with your family and my dynamics,
Yeah.
that I had tried my level best to get accepted, and they have tried their level best to keep me out.
Yes, and
So-
we broke our marriage once,
Yeah.
which was in 2015.
Yeah.
So I think that was the part of our journey. She trusted me, but then what happened is, because these kind of dynamics play, I think the relationship got dented. Sure.
I think also I had trusted just your word for it. There was a lot of evidence that I had, because शादी के पहले डाउरी की बात हुई थी, शादी के पहले बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें बोली गई थी जो बाद में कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट हो गई थी. तो मुझे ऑलरेडी ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही थी कि ये सही रास्ता नहीं होगा to start the marriage, to start the way our life is going to be together. But I trusted your word for it, and then it didn't happen.
Yeah.
I trusted your word that you are going to fix it, your mom is going to change, your family is going to accept me, but it didn't happen.
Yeah.
According to them it did,
Yeah.
but the way they used to behave,
Yeah.
it was not. I was
Yes.
clearly not a part of their family.
Yeah.
So that trust was broken.
Yeah. It got dented.
Yeah, I didn't say it like that to you, that now I don't trust you, but in my mind, in my heart, it was broken.
Yeah, and I remember it was broken, and in 6-7 months you were ready to. You told me in as many words that Karan, I don't want to break you from your family. You can live your own life, and I will live my own life. Let's have the journey in different ways that we are.
Yeah.
We are not meant to be together. So I think that was one of the hardest decisions in first year of our marriage, and it was really, really sad. But then we trusted again, and we fought. Fought for moving out from.
And fought each other.
हाँ, मतलब हम दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ, and that was our second year. I think it was more towards me because Shokhi had already made a decision, and I was not ready to leave my family and start my own life, because I have not lived a own life of my own
So far. So I was an independent person. I was living away from my family by myself, working for 6 years.
Yeah.
By the time I got married to Karan, and Karan had never once, till the age of 30, never
Yeah.
once lived without his family.
Yeah.
Not for job, not for his own independence, not for anything, not for work,
Yeah.
not for studying, nothing. So
Nothing.
he was fully and completely dependent on his family in many ways, which he
Yes.
didn't realize till we moved out.
Yes, but moving out, so I remember that I was not at all happy. I used to really resent you and our relationship, that whether I have taken this decision right or wrong, if I have moved out of from my family, whether I have taken a right step in my life, because the way you are being born and brought up, correct, आपको इतना दर्द होता है कि आप अपनी फैमिली से दूर होते हो और आप अपने इमोशंस को समझ ही नहीं पाते उस समय. सो आई वॉज स्ट्रगलिंग. One was to understand the emotions, and I was resenting the relationship. I was resenting whatever we are doing in our relationship. I was resenting my family at that point of time. I was resenting you, that whether I have done a right step or not in my life.
Resenting me in the sense that I was the reason you had to leave your
Yes,
family.
yes, sort of.
So did you never think, Karan, that I also did the same?
Yes, that's the mistake that I did, because at that point of time I was not aware that जो हम बात करते हैं, I was not even an understanding that there is a primary family and the secondary family and all of those things which we learned in therapy after so many
No,
years.
चल वो तो बहुत evolved बात हो गई. I'm saying at a basic level, at the level that we were at,
Yeah.
mental level at that point of time. Even if for the sake of putting yourself in my shoes, you never thought or you never felt that मैंने अपनी फैमिली को छोड़ा है तो शोखी भी वही करके आई है, तो इट्स ओनली फेयर दैट यू एंड आई स्टार्ट अ फैमिली
मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगा मैंने नहीं सोचा था, मैंने सोचा था, बट देन अगेन इट्स ऑल अबाउट द वे यू आर बीन रेज्ड as a child, and you are never been told that you can have your own life after marriage, and
basically the way you are raised as a boy.
boy. Yes, as in you can put it that way. You are raised as a boy, तो आपको कभी वो थॉट दिया ही नहीं जाता है कि आप भी अपनी लाइफ शुरुआत कर सकते हो. शादी के बाद आप अलग रह सकते हो, तो वो मैंने कभी उतना थॉटफुली ध्यान नहीं दिया, एंड दैट वाज वन ऑफ द मिस्टेक्स दैट वाज हैपनिंग. एंड इफ यू रिमेंबर शो, जब हम अलग भी हुए सेकेंड ईयर में, आई यूज्ड टू गो टू माई फैमिली एंड देयर यूज्ड टू बी दिस होल लॉट ऑफ इमोशनल अत्याचार दैट दे यूज्ड टू गिव मी कि तूने छोड़ दिया, यू नो, ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स यूज्ड टू हैपन, एंड देयर वर लॉट ऑफ फैमिली ड्रामा, फैमिली थिंग्स that used to happen, that कि तू तो छोड़ के चला गया, you know, all of those issues were there. I used to really feel hurt inside. I was not able to show you, and I used to only feel so lost, feel so sad, feel so broken inside. I used to be like कि मेरी दुनिया में मैंने सबसे बुरा काम किया है उस समय. I was not able to handle my emotions well. I was not able to channelize and tell you how I am feeling. I was not able to even tell my family that कि तुम जो मेरे साथ कर रहे हो तुम गलत कर रहे हो, तुमने जो मुझे सिखाया है वो गलत कर रहे हो.
बट क्या ये तुमको उस टाइम पे अवेयरनेस थी कि वो जो कर रहे हैं वो गलत कर रहे हैं?
आई वुड से दैट कि मैं नहीं बोलूँगा एज ऑफ नाउ, इफ आई गो इन हाइंडसाइट, मुझे नहीं लगा था कि वो गलत कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज इट वॉज नॉट what was being taught to me as a boy. I was not being taught that ki you can have your own life. I was not being raised as an individual. That is one of the biggest problems, that ki अगर आप individually raise होते हो, आपकी एक अपनी family में identity create करते हो, तब आपको समझ में आता है कि who is that person who wants his own needs. आपकी एक clarity होती है. वो मेरा problem था, और वो मैं प्रॉब्लम से जूझा, और मेरे इमोशंस बहुत ही हार्ड थे मेरे ऊपर. आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू रिजॉल्व ऑल ऑफ द इशूज दैट आई वॉज फेसिंग, एंड दिस वॉज अ कंडीशनिंग सिंस आई वॉज अ चाइल्ड, राइट. तो इतना ट्रॉमा लेके आप जब बड़े होते हो या बड़े किए जाते हो, तो आपको तो फ्रैंकली नहीं समझ में आता है, एंड उसमें हमारे बीच में प्रॉब्लम होती थी. देयर वाज अ कम्युनिकेशन गैप दैट वाज हैपनिंग एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. सो दैट वाज टेक्निकली आवर सेकेंड ईयर. Yeah.
And also in second year, I was also resenting you.
Yeah.
The way you were resenting me, I was doing the same.
Yeah.
That I was very clear, I did not want you to move out with me.
Yeah.
I was the one leaving because the dynamics was not good for me.
Yeah.
So I had decided that already because you were very clear since the start. You just didn't want to hear कि मुझे अपनी family से अलग रहना पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
तो you had cleared it multiple times. So I knew कि मैं तुम्हें तुम्हारी family से अलग नहीं कर सकती.
Yeah.
तो मैंने तुम्हें ये option ही नहीं दिया था. मैंने तुम्हें ये बोला था कि मैं जा रही हूँ.
Yeah.
It's okay, we'll figure things out. But I cannot exist in this house anymore.
Yeah.
Again, I was not telling you that I'm leaving.
Yeah.
That I'm getting a divorce. But I was still trying to tell you that I will stay away from this dynamic because it is not working out for me and my mental health.
Yeah.
So we could have had whatever dynamic between you and me, but what was happening there would have definitely ended our relationship.
Yeah.
So I wanted to step out.
Yeah.
But you chose to come with me
Yeah.
and not do that. So then it didn't make sense to me that you are still so unhappy, you are so angry, you are so emotional about everything, and I was feeling as if मैंने गलती कर दी है कोई बहुत बड़ी.
Yeah. Yeah.
एक या तो तुमसे शादी करके गलती कर दी है या तो फिर तुमको घर से मतलब तुम मेरे साथ घर से बाहर आ गए हो, वो मेरी गलती है.
Yeah.
somehow.
Yeah.
Because nothing was working out for both of us.
Absolutely. Yes.
So हमने जब ये सोचा था कि हम इस घर से बाहर जाएंगे तो हमारा बेटर होगा रिलेशनशिप,
वो नहीं हुआ.
and if I may say so, the family kept adding to it.
Yeah, it added
Periodically.
to it. Yes. And one thing which was very very clear that एक और चीज़ जो इसमें मैं ऐड करूँगा कि there was one more thing. I was listening to what others were saying about my relationship. I was listening from the outside. I was not developing a communication or building a communication together. We were not bonding together. We were just resenting each other. And one additional thing which was happening is with my health issues. Vertigo था मेरे को. Accident के बाद हमारी immediately शादी हो गई थी 1 साल के अंदर, and I was still struggling through vertigo. And I remember
and you're not ready to heal it.
And that also added to that resentment that we were facing for each other, because मैं clearly नहीं सोच पाता था. मुझे vertigo के episodes होते थे तो मैं at least 3 से 4 दिन bedridden होता था, और फिर मैं जब उसके बाद उठता था तो I used to really rework on myself to understand what is happening. But then time was just passing by and our relationship was getting dented again.
And I was just feeling like I'm your caregiver.
Yeah.
क्योंकि तुम्हें होते थे episodes, फिर भी तुम उसको ठीक करने के लिए कुछ नहीं करते थे.
Yeah.
तो my life was revolving around either taking care of you emotionally कि oh my god आज करण घर गया है तो वो बहुत लो हो गया है तो I will have to fix this for him, और या फिर करण फिजिकली इतना वो हो जाता था, अफेक्ट हो जाता था वर्टिगो से, that I had to really play his nurse.
Yes.
That मैं अभी खाना दे रही हूँ, मैं अभी पानी दे रही हूँ.
In short जो मुझे ऐसा अब मैं hindsight में बोल सकता हूँ that कि you became a parent to me, which is technically not a role of
Good
a
thing,
wife
yeah.
In any kind of relationship, because it was really sad that कि मैं तुमसे जो मैंने अपनी लाइफ में नहीं पाया है अब तक, that love, I was really wanting that love from you, which is a wrong thing because you only became a provider in the
you were wanting that parental love
yeah. So that was a wrong thing to but उस समय नहीं थी समझ, but आज है. But then these were the mistakes that I did personally. The third year,
the third year was a blur. I don't remember
most of the things. We don't remember
from the third year because we had started to escape
mechanisms बना लिए थे हमने
from
अपने.
our marriage, from our relationship, from our physical relationship, from our talking, from our communication, everything. हम उसका एक ही escape बना लिया था हमने, that हम हर weekend जाते थे और दारू पीते थे.
दारू पीते थे, पार्टी करते थे, लोगों से मिलते थे,
लोगों को घर पे बुला लेते
थे,
बड़ी हाउस पार्टियां होती थी. एवरीबॉडी यूज्ड टू लव इट एंड वी वर सपोज्ड टू बी दैट कि ओ क्या अमेजिंग कपल है ये लोग और क्या सही पार्टी थ्रो करते हैं. और
दैट वाज एक्चुअली यू कैन से हमारा तभी यूट्यूब चैनल और इन्फ्लुएंसर हम नहीं थे,
लेकिन हमारी इमेज वैसी थी
लोगों के दिमाग में. भाई पार्टियां हो रही है, सब सही चल रहा है इनकी लाइफ में, लेकिन अंदर हमारी बजी पड़ी थी. वी वर नॉट एट ऑल हैप्पी, वी वर नॉट एट ऑल टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर, वी वर इग्नोरिंग ईच अदर एट सर्टेन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. बिकॉज मेरे को याद है कि सवेरे में जाता था ऑफिस और मैं रात को आता था 8-9 बजे. देयर वाज नो कम्युनिकेशन. द काइंड ऑफ लव दैट वी शेयर राइट नाउ, टॉकिंग टू हर ओवर लंच टाइम, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, जस्ट गिविंग हर अ कॉल.
used to call me once.
Yes.
He used to go out in the
I became
morning.
workaholic.
Yeah.
मैंने अपने आप को पूरे काम में डाल दिया था.
एंड वो काम भी एन एस्केप ही था करण के
Yeah.
लिए, बिकॉज ही हैड टू ट्रैवल लॉन्गर डिस्टेंस,
Yeah.
लाइक लिविंग इन मुंबई ही वाज ट्रैवलिंग टू थाने फॉर वर्क
Yeah.
and I was living in the same area as my work.
Yeah.
So I was more, I was closer. I had more time on my hands, but Karan was never home.
Yeah, and
So-
it was more sort of, you know, we had created an escape mechanism that कि जब भी हम कुछ hard conversation करने की बात करते हैं, we were avoiding all of these things and we
हम
were
करते ही नहीं थे.
हम करते ही नहीं थे.
कोशिश
But
भी नहीं
then,
करते थे.
you know,
मतलब-
unconsciously, if we look at it right now in hindsight, I think this was the right way to look at it कि हम लोग को हार्ड कन्वर्जेशन एक दूसरे के साथ नहीं करनी होती थी, तो हम लोग एक यू नो एस्केप मैकेनिज्म्स ढूंढते थे, पार्टी करते थे, मूवीज पे जाते थे, वीकेंड पे बियर्स पीनी है, ब्रूरीज में जाना है, डिफरेंट खाना खाना है, डिफरेंट
Yeah.
क्यूजीन्स खाने हैं. दैट वाज लाइक कि यू आर एक्चुअली going outside and looking for happiness, wherein you have to internalize and
Yeah,
work within.
हम लोग वेकेशन जाते थे. हम लोग पहली बार दुबई गए थे
Yeah.
उस टाइम पे, एंड it was a lavish life that
Yeah.
we were living.
Yeah.
Like Karan said, everybody would have looked at us and thought कि क्या सही चल रही है यार इनकी बंदी.
Like-
They are like hashtag couple goals.
Yes, but we were
We were couple chols.
trolls, मतलब trolls, couple trolls. So और उसके बाद आया in our face fourth year
Covid.
COVID. I think 2020 was, I think ये बहुत सारे couples के साथ हुआ था शो.
हाँ, I think
ये
सबको रियलाइज हुआ था कि oh wow, like the problems are now staring in our faces,
Faces.
and we both are also staring in each other's faces.
तो जो हम लोग एक दूसरे से भागते थे और एक दूसरे से बात नहीं करते थे, अभी हम एक
सारे
दूसरे की
एस्केप खत्म हो गए.
एक दूसरे की शक्ल देखते थे. सवेरे उठो तो एक इसकी शक्ल देखो, सो तो इसकी शक्ल देखो, काम करो तो इसकी शक्ल देखो.
एंड आई वुड आल्सो पॉइंट आउट करण कि हमने कोविड में भी दिन में दारू पीना शुरू कर दिया.
हाँ, मतलब लिटरली आई रिमेम्बर दैट कि
हम हर दूसरे दिन
दिन
ये ट्राई करते थे कि आज कोई नई कॉकटेल बनाते हैं, कुछ ये करते हैं. तो ऑन द फेस ऑफ इट वाज लाइक कि ओ हम नई नई चीजें ट्राई कर रहे हैं खाने की पीने की एंड ऑल दैट, बट एक्चुअली वी वर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू बी इन अ हेज कि ये
Yes.
दारू पियेंगे ना तो टॉलरेबल
हो जाएगा एक दूसरे की शक्ल देखना. सो वो जो एस्केप हम पहले कर रहे थे वो हम कंटिन्यू कर रहे थे हमारे रिलेशनशिप में. एंड आई बिलीव दैट वाज लार्जली बिकॉज ऑफ मी शो, बिकॉज मेरे को आई रिमेंबर दैट कि द प्रॉब्लम्स दैट वी वर फेसिंग एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ऑल्सो वाज बिकॉज ऑफ मी, बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट रेडी टू वर्क ऑन माई सेल्फ, आई वॉज नॉट रेडी टू हील माई वर्टिगो, आई वॉज नॉट रेडी टू लेट गो ऑफ माई पास्ट, आई वॉज होल्डिंग ऑन टू सो मच ऑफ रिसेंटमेंट. आई वॉज लाइक कि ठीक है अभी जिंदगी ऐसी है, अब ऐसे ही जीते. And Shokhi also got trapped into the same, emotions that I was carrying, and both of us started building that कि यार हमारी जो life है वो अब ऐसी ही है, हमको ऐसे ही चलना पड़ेगा.
और आई फील कि ये ऐसा बहुत होता है सबके साथ कि अगर आप एक कुछ चीज़ मान लेते हो ना, कि जैसे तुमने मान लिया था कि लाइफ ऐसी है, अब ऐसे ही चलना है, तो अब आप ऐसे बिहेव करोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपका पार्टनर या तो आपको मिरर करने लगेगा या तो आपकी चीज़ों पे रिएक्ट करने लगेगा.
करेक्ट.
तो और आप चेंज नहीं होंगे तो आपका पार्टनर वो सेम रिएक्शंस देता रहेगा.
Yeah.
तो फिर वो प्रॉब्लम लूप में चलेगी
Yes.
कि अरे इनको तो कुछ पड़ी ही नहीं है, तो
Yeah.
द अदर पर्सन विल लाइक फिर मैं भी क्यों करूँ कुछ,
Yes.
राइट. तो वी वर बोथ स्टक इन दैट लूप ऑफ
And pattern.
loop and patterns of not resolving conflicts, not talking about it, trying to escape and assuming कि शादी ऐसी ही होती है.
Yes, but then by again the
COVID
silver
was a
lining,
blessing
what
in
we call
disguise.
blessing in disguise, that जैसे ही कोविड हुआ और हमने थोड़े बहुत इंटरनलाइज करने लगे चीज़ों को, कि देखने लगे कि हमारे पैटर्न्स क्या हैं. आई थिंक आई गॉट टू नो दैट आई वाज सफरिंग थ्रू डिप्रेशन, आई वाज सफरिंग थ्रू डिस्थाइमिया, एंड एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ऑल्सो शोखी was only and only resenting in the relationship कि ये जो भी हो रहा है वो तेरे लिए हो रहा है. Shoki was not ready to work on herself also.
Yeah,
So
because I just said कि क्योंकि तुम एक तरीके से सोच रहे थे तो मैंने भी वो तरीका अपना लिया था.
yeah.
और तुम्हारा तरीका ये था कि तुम सारी चीज़ों के लिए सड़े हुए थे
Yes.
लाइफ में, और
लाइफ खत्म हो गई थी मेरी, ऐसा लग रहा
हाँ, और मेरा तरीका ये था कि मेरी लाइफ तो नॉर्मल चल रही थी यार, जब से मैंने शादी करी है इस इंसान से तब से सब गुड़ गोबर हो गया.
Yes, yes.
Basically I'm not able to be happy. I'm not able to make him happy no
Yeah.
matter what I do.
Yeah.
I'm not able to make his family happy
Yeah.
no matter how hard I try. And by the 4th year I had tried a lot.
And I think एक चीज़ जो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ नोटिस करने की यहाँ पे है कि जब भी ऐसी सिचुएशंस आती है, जब आप पैटर्न्स अडॉप्ट करने लग जाते हो और सब कुछ करने लग जाते हो, व्हाट हैपेंस इज यू फॉरगेट टू सी दैट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन यू थॉट दैट योर लाइफ विल बी आफ्टर मैरिज. यू स्टार्ट एक्सेप्टिंग द करंट रियलिटी ऑफ योर लाइफ. तो जो आपने पास्ट में सोचा होता है कि मेरी लाइफ मुझे ऐसे ऐसे चाहिए, क्योंकि आपके साथ इतनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, इतनी सारी चीज़ें हो जाती है ना, तो आप छोड़ देते हो लाइफ को. यू डू नॉट वर्क ऑन योर सेल्फ. यू स्टॉप टेक्निकली लुकिंग दैट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ लाइफ स्टाइल डू वी वॉन्ट.
पर वही चीज़ मेरे लिए पॉइंट ऑफ एंगर बनती जा रही थी.
यस यस यस.
कि यू हैड गिवन अप.
Yes.
कि लाइफ ऐसी ही होती है, ये अज्यूम कर लो. बट समवेयर आई हैड नॉट गिवन अप ऑन दैट ड्रीम,
yeah.
दैट शादी के बाद लाइफ अच्छी हो सकती है.
Yeah.
और क्योंकि मेरे कितने ही एफर्ट डालने पे नहीं हो रही थी, ना तुम वर्टिगो का ट्रीटमेंट
कर रहे
करवा
थे,
रहे थे,
yeah.
ना तुम थेरेपी जाने के लिए तैयार हो रहे थे, ना तुम घर वालों से सारी चीजें डील कर पा रहे थे,
Yeah.
ना मैं घर वालों से कोई रिलेशनशिप बेटर कर पा रही थी. सब कुछ हो रहा था वहाँ पे भी. एग्जैक्टली वही हो रहा था कि ऑन द फेस ऑफ इट आप दिवाली, दशहरा, ऐसे बर्थडेज और एनिवर्सरी सब
मनाते हो, सब विश करते हो. यस.
हाँ, लेकिन वो फोर्सफुली मनाते थे. लाइक वी हैड ऑब्लिगेशन टू गो एंड डू थिंग्स, एंड वी हैड ऑब्लिगेशंस टू पे फॉर थिंग्स, एंड वी हैड ऑब्लिगेशंस टू give gifts and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But at the same time we didn't have any warmth in the relationships. So actually मैं कोई happy होके celebrate नहीं कर रहा होता था.
सब ब्रशेड अंदर का कारपेट करते थे, दिखाने के लिए करते थे हम.
हाँ.
And
और उस कैसे हो गया कि मैं यहाँ पे आ गई हूँ और मेरी लाइफ में कुछ भी ठीक नहीं हो रहा है, पर मैं ये सारी चीज़ों का 1 point इशू समझती थी तुमको.
मेरा ब्लेम
किस लिए नहीं हो रहा है, क्योंकि तुम्हारी वजह से नहीं हो रहा है. तो मैं तो दूध की धुली हूँ, मैंने तो सारी चीजें ट्राई कर ली. मैं थेरेपी नहीं जाऊंगी, तुम थेरेपी जाओ.
आई थिंक शो यहाँ पे पूरा टर्निंग सिचुएशन चालू हुआ था, बिकॉज आई रिमेंबर जब मेरी मेडिकेशन भी चालू हुई थी, व्हेन आई वाज स्टार्टिंग टू टेक एंटी डिप्रेसेंट्स, यू वर स्टिल फाइटिंग विथ मी दैट यू नो लोगों को वी शुड शेयर दिस विद देम इज दैट कि आज की तारीख में ऐसा नहीं है कि जब आप दवाइयाँ लेते हो तो पूरी जिंदगी लेनी पड़ती है, विच वॉज योर फियर.
हाँ, द फाइट वॉज बेसिकली दैट आई वॉज again operating from ego that I was proved right. When you were diagnosed with depression, I was in reality also proved right that I could see there are some mental health issues that you have. For sure. But you were not ready to seek help for it. You had this sadistic pattern.
I would call it.
You used to love being in pain. तुम ऐसे दुख दर्द पीड़ा में जीने में तुम्हें बड़ा मजा आने लग गया था. So you used to enjoy that pain, I think. So which is why you didn't used to want to take any help for vertigo or your mental health like that. सब तुम कोशिश, मतलब अगर छोटी से छोटी चीज़ है, इतना छोटा भी कि बुखार भी होता था ना, तो करण यूज्ड टू बी लाइक मैं दवाई नहीं लूँगा, मैं खुद ठीक हो जाऊँगा. लेकिन वो ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं था. कोई ऐसा चमत्कारी बाबा नहीं था करण कि करण ने बोला ओ मैं ठीक हो जाऊंगा और वो ठीक हो गया. ऐसा नहीं होता था. He used to suffer and I used to see him suffer.
I was
and
living
I used to feel bad about
delusional life because mental health जब खराब हो जाती है तो आप delusional में ही जीते हो. आपको नहीं समझ में आता है कि क्या सही है क्या गलत है. And as I started working, that was I think the 5th year guys, because हमने थेरेपी चालू की 4th year में मैंने, and जैसे कि शोकी ने बताया 5th year में भी हमारे problems चालू हुए थे because I was not ready to take the responsibility of all my issues. मेरा एक पैटर्न था.
Sorry, so please don't overstep to 5th
मैंने stop. Hello.
Don't let me finish. I was still trying to say कि मैं ईगो से ऑपरेट कर रही थी कि जब तुम्हें डायग्नोज हुआ, you have dysthymia, you have a version of depression. I was like कि देखा, मैंने तो बोला था. मैं तो हमेशा ये फील करती थी. और वो मतलब टेक्निकली वो हुई भी बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें थी ना कि मैं कुछ बोलती थी और से फॉर एग्जाम्पल family used to do the exact same thing. I used to preempt it, I used to predict it because I could see the patterns. तो मेरे अंदर एक वो ईगो बिल्ड हो गया था कि यार कोई और इस फैमिली में तुम में से कोई भी इश्यूज नहीं देख पाता और आई कैन टेल. मैं बताऊंगी कि क्या प्रॉब्लम है. सो आई यूज्ड टू बी दैट इगोइस्टिक पर्सन हु यूज्ड टू से कि देखा मैंने तो बोला था, ये तो हो गई. तो वो इन अ वेरी बैड वे वो एक्चुअली हो गया. एंड जब वो हुआ, जब करण वॉज डायग्नोस्ड, he was immediately supposed to go on antidepressants and many more other. You were taking what, 10 tablets a day?
8 to 10 tablets.
8 to 10 tablets a day total. It was like करण का नाश्ता और फिर दवाइयों का नाश्ता.
So दिन में आप समझो कि 12 से 1500 रात को सवेरे like you know morning you wake up you have medications, lunch time you have medications and then the evening when you are having dinner. So
एंड उस टाइम पे बहुत बड़ा इशू हुआ था क्योंकि अगेन ऑपरेटिंग फ्रॉम द सेम इशू आई यूज्ड टू फील लाइक दिस इज अनदर आई वाज ऑपरेटिंग फ्रॉम द फियर दैट ओके this is going to be another lifelong thing that I will have to deal with because so far I have only dealt with your issues
yeah
like vertigo, like other
issues
physical ailments.
Yeah.
I was under the impression जो हमेशा से सुना है हमने अगेन जो माँ बाप ने बोला है कि बेटा ऐसे डॉक्टरों के पास जाओ तो वो सबसे पहले तुम्हें दवाइयों पे डाल देते हैं और फिर वो दवाइयाँ जीवन भर चलती है और वो कभी ख़त्म नहीं होती. एंड यस दोज काइंड ऑफ दवाइयाँ यूज्ड टू बी देयर पर बिफोर पहले होती थी वो. अब टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी बेटर हो चुकी है और दवाइयाँ इतनी बेटर आ चुकी हैं दैट they are not addictive.
You can wean off that medication.
You can wean off that medication with the help of a doctor, which is what Karan did after 1.5 years of being on antidepressants. But when he was being put on them, I was operating from that anger and frustration and fear again that, oh my god, this is one new issue that I will have to handle now. That and yes, Karan will be healed probably. But at the same time, these medications will have a long lasting effect and then I will be at the receiving end of it like I was of the
issues that I had in my life. So yes, I think that was the 4th year of our married life where we were I had started taking therapy and I got to know that I was suffering through one of the kind of depressions which was this time. Then came the 5th year. 5th year में भी मैं अपने काम से और अपने तरीकों से बाज नहीं आया था. मैं फिर भी उस समय अपने विम्स एंड फैंसीज पे ऑपरेट करता था जिससे शो की तभी भी चिढ़ती थी मुझसे. आई वाज लाइक कि नहीं मैं एक एक करके सारी चीज़ों को सॉल्व करूँगा.
So at that point of time also Karan was saying that because my individual therapy is going on, I will not do couples therapy.
Yes.
And I was also wrong in thinking that Karan की individual therapy चल रही है तो हमें couples therapy ही करनी है. But I could have also at that point of time started my own individual therapy.
Yes.
That would have also helped us a lot. That would have helped me understand what Karan was going through in a better way instead of operating from my past trauma with Karan.
Yeah.
And yes, we had a lot of fight and yes, I went to multiple doctors and confirmed whether he needs to be on medication or not. And everybody told us that Karan has tried everything. He has gone to Vipassana, he has gone to gym,
you have tried yoga.
Tried yoga, he's doing everything in his mind. He was meditating every day. He was trying everything possible according to physical issues.
Yes.
To try to fix his mental health.
वो मेरी गलती थी. I think lot of time people we need to like highlight this that lot of time people say that कि जो आपके mental health issues हैं अगर आप physical issues को solve कर लोगे ना और running कर लोगे, jogging कर लोगे, morning में routine में कर लोगे, that will help your issues get solved, mental health issues get solved. That is not going to happen.
वो भी हमें बचपन से बोला गया ना कि ये mental health क्या होता है, ये तो नहीं होता है कुछ भी. तुम उठो बाहर, सुबह जल्दी उठ जाओ बेटा,
सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
बाहर घूमने चले जाओ बेटा, मॉर्निंग वॉक इवनिंग वॉक करो, तुम सब सही हो जाएगा, तुम्हारा पेट साफ रहेगा ना, तुमको कोई डिप्रेशन नहीं होगा. तो
that was one of the biggest प्रॉब्लम दैट आई वाज फेसिंग इन माय हेड क्योंकि बचपन से मुझे लगा था कि जो भी मैं करूँगा फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज आई विल सब ठीक हो जाएगा. और रूटीन, लोगों को लगता है कि रूटीन होने से, रूटीन इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग. टिल नाउ आई फॉलो अ रूटीन एंड आई एम अ वेरी रूटीन ओरिएंटेड. वी आर अ वेरी रूटीन ओरिएंटेड कपल टुडे. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि रूटीन के अलग अलग बेनिफिट्स हैं. लाइक यू गेट टू स्ट्रीमलाइन, यू बिकम मोर प्रोडक्टिव, यू बिकम.
हम सुबह 5:30 बजे उठते थे. Karan used to go to the gym, I used to do yoga, I used to go cycling. And हम लोगों का पूरा set routine होता था. We used to have healthy breakfast. If you go to my Instagram account, you will see a whole range of food and breakfast
that she used to cook for me.
I used to cook for Karan. Every morning there used to be a new post of the food that I've made for him. So it was always like a good healthy lifestyle that we have followed till we started drinking a lot.
Yes, but then again the whole issue of 5th year, as we said that I was not ready. it is very important that when you guys are facing issues, you should also seek for individual therapy. It is not a compulsion that कि आप couples therapy लोगे तो ही आपके problem solve होंगे.
Yeah, because most of the people come to on our comment section or our DMs saying the same thing कि but my husband is not ready or my wife is not ready to go for couples therapy, so then how will we go to couples therapy? You don't need to.
Yes.
And also FYI, you can go to couples therapy also alone.
Yes.
Okay, you will be given relationship guidance by the therapist, and you will find a way to reach out to your husband in a way that he doesn't find it threatening to
Yes.
come to therapy. Because usually when people resist, it's because of some kind of bias
Yes.
in their mind कि हमको ये नहीं करना है या हमको वो नहीं करना है. Why are a lot of people not ready? The moment you say therapy, they're not ready because they think that this is what will happen. What was happening to us कि ओ हम जाएंगे थेरेपी, वहाँ पे हमको दवाइयाँ दे दी जाएंगी या वहाँ पे हमको ऐसा बोल दिया जाएगा कि तुम तो डिप्रेशन में हो टाइप थिंग. So they don't want to acknowledge or get diagnosed like that.
Yeah.
But again, the purpose of relationship therapy is not for immediately fixing the relationship.
It is not going to happen. One more question that we start keeping कि एक या दो सेशन में हो जाएगा सब कुछ ठीक. That is not, and no one can give any therapist
Assurance,
or any
yeah.
psychologist or psychotherapist can give you assurance कि एक सेशन, दो सेशन, तीन सेशन में आपके issues solve हो जाएंगे.
ऐसा नहीं
See,
होगा.
these are those 1 or 2 sessions. It is not going to happen.
Yeah.
It is going to take some time, and it has taken some time for us. To the 6th year where everything changed for us. I think we moved the city,
I think
which was
life,
again.
life was like कि देखो तुम्हें 5 साल दे दिए हैं मैंने,
Hmm.
पर तुम अपने रायते नहीं समेट पा रहे.
नहीं, I would call it as this thing show that कि when we started working on ourselves, life gave us another opportunity to
Chance,
heal
yeah.
ourselves. I think I would call it this way, not that कि 5 साल दिए हैं. मेरे हिसाब से we moving from Mumbai to Pune was again the ray of hope that life gave us.
Oh wait, one thing, biggest thing I forgot in 5th year of marriage.
Hmm.
When this whole depression episode happened,
Hmm.
I was again ready to quit.
Yes, she was like कि ये
I
पागल
was
बंदे के
like
साथ
कि
नहीं रहना है.
मेरे को बहुत ही ज़्यादा फ्रस्ट्रेशन हो गया था. I was like कि अब नहीं हो पाएगा मुझसे, मैं तुम्हारी नर्स नहीं हूँ. मैंने 5 साल, तुम जब से तुम्हारा एक्सीडेंट हुआ है मैंने सिर्फ तुम्हारी देखभाल करी है, और अब तुम ये भी कर रहे हो, मेडिकेशन भी ले रहे हो, अब नहीं हो पाएगा मुझसे.
Yes.
तो अगर इफ़ यू वांट टू गो दिस रूट देन आई एम डन.
Yes.
बट देन अगेन हूँ तो मैं डर की शाहरुख खान.
Yes. करण.
तो करण ने मुझे ऐसे बहलाया फुसलाया वापस से अपने ऐसे इतने इतने प्यारे से मासूम से चेहरे से मुझे फंसाया,
Yeah.
और मैं रुक गई.
Yeah.
And I decided that okay, no, I cannot do this to the love of my life, that he's in such a bad shape and I cannot leave
Yeah.
in that moment. So very very skeptically I decided to again give it another chance, and I think at that point of time life ने मेरी सुन ली
Yes.
कि ठीक है मैं तुम्हें एक और चांस दे रही हूँ. Where it was amazingly the best solution for Karan and me at that point of time because we were in the last leg of lockdown in 2022 and Karan was transferred, his job was transferred to Pune.
Yeah.
Automatically हम फैमिली से दूर हो गए.
Yeah.
ऑटोमेटिकली वो एक टॉक्सिक जो पुश एंड पुल वाला रिलेशनशिप था वो फेड आउट हो गया.
हमने सबसे अपने नाते कट कर लिए थे. आई थिंक वी वर नाउ फेसिंग ईच अदर अगेन आफ्टर कोविड. वी स्टार्टेड वर्किंग बट नाउ तो वी हैड नो चांस बिकॉज इट वाज अ न्यू सिटी, इट वाज एवरीथिंग
न्यू.
न्यू.
We were restarting our life from scratch. We had to set up a new house, we had to explore a new city together, we had to figure out कौन सी चीज़ कहाँ मिलती है, कैसा होगा, क्या होगा. हमारे दोस्त पीछे रह गए थे, हमारी फैमिली पीछे रह गई थी, and we were just alone in Pune.
We were isolated,
just me and Karan,
with each other's life, like
forced to acknowledge our issues, forced to talk, forced to discuss, and without any escape.
We were
forced to face it.
We were forced to face each other's issue. We were forced to look at our issues. We were forced to relive our life in the way we wanted. But now when we were living our life, I think at that point of time we were coming to know that कि हम लोगों के क्या पैटर्न्स थे, हम लोगों के क्या इश्यूज थे, एंड ये कैसे हो रहा था बिकॉज वी हैड स्टार्टेड थेरेपी.
आई थिंक थेरेपी स्टार्ट करने से पहले भी हमारी बहुत लड़ाइयाँ हुई पुणे आने के बाद. तो जब भी देयर वाज समवन हु हैज गिवन दिस वेरी ब्यूटीफुल analogy to us that
बोलते रहो. हाँ.
जब आप किसी नल को बहुत सालों तक बंद रखते हो,
Yes.
तो जब आप खोलते हो उस नल को तो क्या निकलता है?
गंदगी.
गंदगी, कचरा, जंग, काला पानी निकलता है, राइट?
Yes.
काला ब्राउन ऐसा पानी निकलता है. पर आप जब तक उसको खुला नहीं रखोगे वो गंदगी साफ कैसे होगी?
Yes, yes.
तो आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट अप्लाइज टू रिलेशनशिप आल्सो. जब
I
आप
think
अपने
most of the things in life.
most of the things in life, yeah, actually this applies to my writer's block, to everything.
Yeah.
That जब to Karan's therapy,
Yeah.
to everybody's therapy, कि जब आप थेरेपी चालू करते हो
Yeah.
तो वो सारे डीप सीटेड ऐसे अनकंफर्टेबल इश्यूज, जो अनकंफर्टेबल चीज़ें जिनके बारे में हम कभी बात नहीं करना चाहते, जो हमें बहुत बुरा फील करवाती है,
Yes.
जो हमें बहुत डीपर इमोशंस को निकाल के लेके आती है, जो हीलिंग होती है,
Yeah.
उसका भी यही प्रोसेस होता है कि
Yeah.
बेसिकली पहले आपको दर्द होगा, आप अपने घाव को कुरेदोगे
Yeah.
बेसिकली टू
Yeah.
हील इट.
Yeah.
सो ये सेम चीज़ हो रही थी हमारे साथ रिलेशनशिप में कि क्योंकि अब हम उन चीज़ों को ब्रश इट अंडर द कार्पेट कर नहीं पा रहे थे. कहीं कुछ और. करण वाज नॉट अलाउड टू हैव अल्कोहल विथ हिज एंटी डिप्रेसेंट्स एंड
Yes.
स्टफ. So we had no escape.
Yes.
So we had no friends.
Yes.
We had no family.
Yeah.
So there was no obligation other
Yeah.
than just being with each other.
Yes.
So that is when we started to talk about it. और फिर बहुत लड़ाई झगड़े हुए, बहुत हम दोनों के बीच में डिफरेंसेस हुए,
Yeah.
till we realized that ऐसे तो नहीं चल पाएगा.
Yeah. And in this point of time also, I remember that ki I was the one who was taking therapy and you were still in this part of your ego that ki main therapy.
No, this is when my ego had started to break down.
Yes. Okay.
That okay, this is too much. Again, I was isolated. I did
Yeah.
not have anything else to do and I was really breaking
Yeah.
down.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Not able to help my own mental health.
Yeah.
This is when I came to a breaking point and I also started a therapy,
Yeah.
individual therapy. And that is when I realized what I was going through.
Yeah.
And there was a lot of anxiety on my part,
Yeah.
which I was bringing to our relationship as well.
Hmm.
And when we both were taking therapy, I was very happy with mine, but I think you had reached a point of plateau, like as in
I
with
think
your first
therapist. So lot of time what happens in therapy, जो मेरे साथ भी हुआ था कि थेरेपी में ना आप एक ही थेरेपिस्ट, अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है बुरा लगता है, आपको लगता है कि यही थेरेपिस्ट है, इसी से मैं सब कुछ करूंगी, एंड यू स्टार्ट ड्राइविंग योर परसेप्शन दैट कि अगर एक थेरेपिस्ट मुझे ऐसा मिला ना तो सारे थेरेपिस्ट ऐसे हो जाएंगे.
So
बट
would you say that the first therapist, मतलब he was a psychiatrist, not a therapist only.
Yeah.
So he was able to diagnose you also, but would you say that was the kind of thing that have fully helped you?
No, I don't think so that fully helped me. That I only realized because जब मैंने देखा कि यार एक इशू सॉल्व हो गए हैं बट अनदर इश्यूज आर डीप सीटेड, तो उसको निकालने के लिए मुझे दूसरे मोडालिटीज की जरूरत पड़ेगी, उसको निकालने के लिए शायद मुझे दूसरे थेरेपिस्ट की जरूरत पड़ेगी. एंड अगेन आई वाज ट्राइंग टू ब्रेक द पैटर्न्स दैट आई हैड इन द 4th year of marriage और 5th year of marriage, वेयर आई वाज लाइक कि मैं एक एक करके चीज़ों को सॉल्व करूंगा. नाउ because I was staying with you alone and facing each other right now, I now had no option but to start taking all of the responsibilities and start working on them at the same time. So I needed another therapist who can help me. I needed another modalities who can help me. Unfortunately, today when we are doing all of those episodes, I think we can help you guys out.
Because
with
हम लोगों ने बहुत मुश्किलों से वो चीज़ें ढूंढी
थी. Yes.
At that point of time. जैसे for example Karan, we were realizing Karan's issues were mostly deep seated in childhood because he
Yeah.
had been through childhood sexual abuse, he had been through seeing his parents fight all the time.
Yeah.
There was a lot of other kind of mental trauma
Yeah.
attached to Karan's childhood.
Yeah.
He barely had any good memories from
Yeah.
childhood. He barely has any pictures
Yeah.
from childhood. So all of these things were coming from his inner child issue.
Yeah.
So we had to really look for someone trustworthy
Yeah.
who can show us how to heal inner child issues.
Yeah.
Then we had to also find someone for Karan to regularly have some behavioral
Therapist. Yeah. Another thing which was, towards my anxiety. So
Yeah.
all of those mixed together was creating those patterns and issues. And then once we started doing it, we sort of understood that how we need to resolve everything at one point of time.
Yeah,
And
we are very, very grateful to each and every one of our therapists and healers who have helped us.
Yeah.
Because somehow we were so desperate and we were praying to universe to bring them to us.
Yeah.
And somehow one by one we were redirected to them.
Yes.
But the point being, guys, that it's not necessary कि तुम एक बार थेरेपी जाओगे और एक थेरेपिस्ट से मिलोगे और तुम्हारी miraculously सारी चीज़ें सही हो जाएगी.
Yeah.
There are times when you are done with, like, one therapist is done helping you,
Yes.
or the therapist gets too busy
Yeah.
to give you more
Inputs.
time and inputs, and in you need it urgently.
Yeah.
So you find another therapist
Yeah.
to talk to, or you find an alternative
Way of
holistic,
healing, yeah.
holistic way of healing. Like, for example, we also tried homeopathy for a little while. So there are a lot of these options available for you to try and do it. So we have also recently realized that not many people know that such options exist.
Yeah.
So for which you guys can get in touch with us,
Yeah.
and we will try to help you. Can show you the guidance
Yeah.
to what are the options you have, what are the resources that you can get.
Yeah.
There are some free resources that you can get online. There are some ebooks that can help you.
Yeah.
But for all of this, we cannot do an episode for
Yeah.
each and every one of them. We
Yeah.
are trying, but we cannot.
Yeah.
So the best solution we have found out is for you to have a conversation with us. There is a minimum fee to it, so that our time and your time is both accounted for.
Yes.
And if you get in touch with us, and we'll help you out in whichever way. We'll give you all your options and you can choose from it.
Yes.
Back to 6th year, where we finally started
started
couples therapy. 6th year, okay guys?
Sixth year is when we started our couples therapy, and we understood that one good thing that was there is that in all the 6 years show that हमने बहुत सारे issues झेले एक साथ. सो जब हम कपल्स थेरेपी पे गए तो हमको ये समझ में आया कि जो भी हम कर रहे थे वो कहीं ना कहीं सही कर रहे थे. थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें ये थी कि हम एक दूसरे को म्यूचुअली रिस्पेक्ट करते थे, हम एक दूसरे के ऊपर कभी आवाज़ नहीं उठाते, हम एक दूसरे के ऊपर कभी अब्यूजिवली, और वी हैव नॉट डन एनी काइंड ऑफ डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस विद ईच अदर.
दैट वाज, वी हैव नॉट डिमीन्ड
each other.
हमने कभी एक दूसरे का कैरेक्टर असैसिनेशन नहीं किया. लाइक आई नेवर डाउटेड करण बाय सेइंग दैट ओ आज तुम लेट आए हो, तुम किसी और के साथ थे क्या. आई नेवर had that kind of a fear attached to it, that I say those things out loud to Karan, saying that कि तुम तो पागल हो, तुम्हारे साथ तो mental health issues हो रहे हैं, तुमने तो मुझे पहले ये बताया ही नहीं. We did not go to the dirty level of fighting ever, and I think nobody should, because that demeans the love that you have in the relationship. And since our therapist was so kind and nice, and let us also break it to you guys, we have done an episode with her, and she's amazing, and that was our first experience after COVID of having face-to-face therapy. So she made it so easy for us. We used to go to a cafe and talk to her after a point
just
of
with coffee.
over coffee. And she used to she used to host us for coffee.
Yes.
So after a point of time, it used to feel as if we are just going to talk to a friend.
Yes, and just having normal conversations.
And just sharing our heart out, and the friend is trying to play a neutral person who is telling us both कि तुम्हारी ये गलती है और तुम्हारी ये गलती है, तो तुम दोनों कैसे सुधार सकते हो. So it was a beautiful experience for both of us, and now we have again switched to some online therapists.
Yes.
And it's like a mental gym. तो ऐसा नहीं होता है कि थेरेपी आपने करके ले ली और फिर छोड़ दी, सब सही हो गया, अब हम हील हो गए. क्योंकि आप हील तो कभी भी नहीं हो गए. It's always a journey.
That's why it's called HEALING, healing. So it's like a constant thing.
It's in present tense. It will keep going on till you die. Sorry to break you.
But then that's the fact. I think we don't want to hide anything from you guys. I think we still take therapy. We go online and we take therapy. So that's our journey, guys. And we
after which came 7th year.
Yes,
which was the best.
7th year was the best year actually. That's where we started. I think we are that's when this whole podcast thing started. We never knew that when we start this podcast, we will evolve so much in this journey by helping you guys. And I think the best part of our podcast journey is that कि हमने अपनी लाइफ स्टोरी जब शेयर करी तो हमको लगा कि यार कौन ही सुनेगा. But then
we started as a personal project to bond. but now it has taken such a big shape.
Yeah.
We are both also like कि oh अच्छा इतना बड़ा करना था क्या?
So
Thank you guys.
Thank
It's
you
all
guys.
for
It's all
you.
you. And it started, as Shoki said, it was very small, and the way we saw the constant listeners coming in and followers, and till today, and in this podcast journey, I think what happened is we both healed each other. There were a
Because
lot
we
of
were
unsaid things
Yeah.
in those 7 years that we had not said to each other.
Yeah.
But when we started sharing, and when we had started these, you know, unconsciously hard conversations in front of each other
by,
in the way of
by
podcast.
the way of telling other people about the story, we kind of acknowledge कि ओ मुझे ये feel हो रहा था उस time पे. So
Yeah.
every time we used to end a podcast episode, we used to go back to each other and say sorry.
या थोड़ा वॉबल हो गया शोकी के इसमें, ठीक है.
Sorry.
सो वो शोकी का थोड़ा सा हो गया, तो ठीक है. एनीवे, सो वी सॉर्ट ऑफ नेवर like thought that ki the podcast will heal us, and podcast will sort of heal so many people and help so many people.
This is the 4th time we are doing the recording because there's been a lot of disturbance in the back. This is not the studio where we
Generally
just wrap it up quickly now. So in the 7th year we started podcast, which did very well for us. We have now started to help people more than the podcast. Talk to us one-on-one, or if you want to join any of these support groups, you can find the link in the description.
Yeah.
And this was the 8th year.
That was the 8th year. I think this is the 8th year where we are the infinity, and we have now decided that probably this is going to be our journey forward, and where we are going to help people and talk to them and, you know, evolve them as humans, because when we have started healing ourselves, and when we have started taking all of those therapies and learnings and lessons, in which we are still taking, we have just evolved as humans, and we have started evolving as person. And our relationship today is much more evolved. You can see today that since that day we have started doing podcast in the 7th year, we celebrated our anniversary for the first time, and today is the 2nd anniversary.
Yeah.
We have celebrated, and we are now doing a podcast. So can you guys can understand that how it's that whole deeper issues that have got now solved, and there is a purpose to our relationship, where this purpose is also being given by you guys. So we really thank you from
Also-
bottom of our hearts.
Also, we want to show you by example that no matter how hard it is for you right now in the relationship, you can choose to have a better relationship.
Yeah. So that's it from our side, guys. I think we are going to help you guys, and we are going to go on forward with our journey with this.
Which does not mean that we have achieved relationship nirvana.
No.
ऐसा नहीं है कि अब हम लड़ाई नहीं करते हैं, वो भी होता है.
Yes.
And we will try to bring that also to reality, like we have told you everything else. So with that, we would like to end this episode by telling you that we are with you in
happily whatever after. So you're not alone, and thank you for listening to us, and thank you for supporting us, and thank you for giving us all the love that you guys are sharing. Keep sharing, keep spreading, and keep loving.
Thank you.